Hello. So we are back Tuesday and we have a laptop to fix. Coke split on the laptop. Okay, so let's test it first. Let's plug the charger. Now let's try to fix it. This is an Acer laptop. It's a nice Acer laptop. Well, let's see what model it is. Acer Aspire E5-575. Really? Let me check. 575, yeah, that's the one. That's the one. What it's doing, we plug the charger in and we have the charging light. But when we press the power button here, nothing happened. You know what I believe? Probably the laptop is good. But the problem is the keyboard, because the power button is on the keyboard. But we have to be sure. Okay, from some reason there are no screws here. Here is no screw. I haven't opened the laptop. It's the first time we are opening the laptop. Lol. This is exactly same laptop. It's not the same. It's nearly it's close. The other one had a M2. You remember the one which was going an extra mile for the customer? I remember the keyboard connector, so I know for sure on the second pin we should have the power button. Let's check the second pin, and we have nothing on the second pin. Maybe it does not ground. Now look, that switch. You see that switch? In the last video the people said, no, that switch is to reset the BIOS, but no, this one is to reset the BIOS. You have a small hole here, and here is from the back cover. So the second pin has no voltage. So our Super I/O has no voltage, which is weird. Let's plug the charger. Maybe the battery is dead. And we do have we have 3.3 volts. You can see 3.2. Let's press the power button and see what's happening. That's interesting. So the second pin, yeah, pressing the power button and nothing happened. You can see. Let's short the second pin with the ground. Okay, shorting the second pin with the ground, and it's coming on or not. Yes, and we have blue light and we have Acer. But the laptop just shut down by itself. No, it's working. Oh, that's insane. We can't even fix it. We can't fix it because the issue is the keyboard. It's like the same laptop, nearly the same. And the power button is not dropping the voltage at all. Even if the power button will be good, Wait 1 second, because this is a Acer laptop and the pins has to be closed. This is a Toshiba charger. Let me close up the pins. Even if the keyboard is working, how can we fix the power button? Back in time, when I had this problem and the laptop has a switch, like a Wi-Fi switch somewhere, I could fix it. You just move the power button wire there. But not on these days. No, not really, not yet. Later on today. Yeah, I have a remote to fix, and he dropped it yesterday on the end up time, and he comes now like on the opening time. Didn't fix himself over the night. Hey, okay, let me check the keyboard. No, the keyboard is dead, I can't do anything. Maybe has few keys working. Yeah, okay, end of story. You know what? This clearly it's a keyboard issue. The laptop seems to be working. Obviously the board will be checked when the keyboard arrives if the man wants to replace the keyboard. Faulty keyboard. Let's fix a remote. Iulian, îi sună cu iPhone-ul ăla, cu placa în scurt. Sună și întreabă de iPhone. So we have a keyboard to be repaired. The easy way to check a keyboard is here on this camera, or here. I don't know here if it will work, but here it will work 100%. And if you press the power, you should see blue light. Okay, or you can try on a old phone. If you try on a new phone like an iPhone, it will not work because they have UV filters or infrared filters on the camera. So clearly, yeah, pressing the button, it will not work. You can see you can't see any light. First, let's check the batteries. That's what you have to check first, the batteries, yeah? And the voltage is 0. Oh, don't tell me actually the remote is good. No, 1.4, sorry. 1.4, let's give some current to these batteries. Just to charge them a little bit. They take current. Okay, they are taking current, so that means it's okay. Are still good. More current. More voltage. 2 amps. And now when we'll check the batteries, they are better than new. Usually it's supposed to be 1.5 volts. Now the battery has this one 1.6665 and this one 1.6. Okay, and now are better than new. Let's see, battery, let's check one more time. It's not working, clearly it's not working. Let's check, let's try to fix it. You know, okay, it's like we are charging 15 for any remote, so it's not great, but it's easy to be fixed. Usually, you know, you have the keys, or you have a desolder LED, the infrared one. How long can take to fix a remote? Let's see. Or are they dirty like this one? Proper dirty. Look what is here. Look how it looks. So you can see it's proper dirty. The LED is soldered. Let's clean it quickly. Let's use some alcohol. Can be also, this can be broken, you know, the crystal, the quartz. Well, this is one is fine. You can see the battery. You see the white thingy? Probably the battery, you know, leave liquid inside of the keyboard, or inside of the remote. And yeah, that can be a problem. But usually just cleaning and can fix them. What I'm doing, because I'm sure everyone has his own method. When I have a broken thingy like this, like the carbon is gone from one button, I'm using the things from my cigarettes. This one. So you can use this one, and you can stick it with a little bit of anything there, you know, from the cigarettes. You know, the aluminium foil from the cigarettes. That's what I'm using. Let me put this back. Let's clean this. Unless you just by cleaning, we can fix it just by cleaning. Just pay attention on the metal thing, see not to be oxidated or rust. Okay? Let's dry it. and all what is left is to test it, right? And we have the power supply. Let's check with the power supply. 3 volts. Yeah, we can test with the power supply. 3 volts. And you have minus here. Okay, and plus here. And now we can press the button. Yeah, check on the camera. You can see the light on the LED. You can see the light on the LED on my webcam. You can see clearly the remote is working. Yeah, easy job. It's an easy job. Now you can do some extended cleanup thing. You know, you can proper clean like new, like, but you know, it'll be different money, different story. You check the light. Check the light. Power button. Usually these buttons are not working. Like power button, like number 1, it's working. Number 2, it's working. Volume up, it's working. Volume down, working. Programs up, working. Programs down, working. OK button is working. I believe the job is done. Okay. So we should start something else. We do have few more jobs. But you know what? I'm working on something which I can't really tell you right now, but I will let you know. It's something nice. So I will say now, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. Maybe maybe you didn't know how to fix the remotes, but that's how you fix them. And see you on the next one. Bye.